Hello, I'm Janet Clare and it's my pleasure to be in the Fat Quarter Shop studio today telling you about my book Freya Fred, which is inspired by the golden age of childhood and all the fun we had when we were little and we didn't have a care in the world and we could just go and play with our friends all day and get called in for tea. So there's Freya and her little friend Fred, who's a very good dog. He's a very good dog. Here we go. So that's the beginning. I design all the end papers, I do all the original drawings and paintings, and my friend Hayley helps me with the graphic design, and it's a real homespun family project. It's been such a pleasure to work on. I hope you enjoy it. So there's Freya, and she's all ready to get dressed. She's got a fun wardrobe of clothes for you. And you can follow her through a week of her adventures. Freya and Fred had lots of adventures through the week. So they go to school and they learn their alphabet. So there's the alphabet quilt. We go and all of her little friends. So you can make her friends look as different as you like. They've got lots of different clothes and there's 4 different hairstyles. So you can make little boys, little girls, change their skin tones. You could embroider the names of your real child's little friends on the panels as well. That would look beautiful. Lots of ideas for you. Really make it as personal as you can. I like to inspire people with my books and I hope you make your projects your own. Here we go. Just going through. So they have a little picnic. Here we are. There he is, a nice crazy centerpiece. And Fred can jump. I've made Fred poseable, so you can have him running and jumping across your quilts. There he is in a little tutu. This little girl is my friend's daughter. Look at her little giggle. Sweet. There he is. So you can make a ballerina. You can have a ballerina quilt. Freya and Fred go to ballet. She's got a little tutu and some ballet slippers for you to wear. Here we go. She plays Ring a Ring of Roses on Thursday. There she is, smiling under her cozy quilt. I made a little garland of her and her little friends all holding hands. That would look beautiful in a nursery, wouldn't it? This is a vintage tablecloth that was already embroidered, and I just added a couple of Freyas and some little Freds on there. So you can repurpose antique textiles. That's a really lovely little thing you can do. There you go, all things nice. This was fun. A little fun project is I wrote with my sewing machine. I'm going to show you how to do that later. And I wrote on their little napkins when they're sitting at the dinner, so I didn't have to keep saying eat your vegetables. I wrote it on their napkins. They are. They're going to a birthday party on Saturday. There's a little cute little dimple there. This is a quick little quilt that you could make for a child's birthday. There you go, all the numbers are reversed. They're supposed to be reversed. A little party invitation you could use. So I tried to put as much inspiration as I could in the book for all the things you could do with your little children and really have fun with all the projects. And then you can make a little dolly that she goes to bed. A little dolly in bed. A little toy Fred that you can play with. I had so much fun making this book and I really hope you enjoy it too, and I hope it inspires you to make some special projects for the little people in your life. And I always ask my children to write my book reviews for me. So this is what Henry wrote when he was 7. He said, "This is the best book in the world." And I have to agree. So that's Freya and Fred and it's available at the Fat Quarter Shop.